will commence within a short period of time. The news from center is that Shanta Durga Warriors won the toss and defensive decision they had taken to bowl first. So big match coming up. Shanta Durga Warriors versus Somnath Warriors will decide the champions of this particular league. The first edition of Dabal Cricket League has been successfully organized by the respected committee and also the helpful hand given by all the donors. I would like to thank on behalf of the Dabal Cricket League committee. So big match coming up, the decider of this tournament. The champions of this tournament will decide this particular final match.
So here we go. शांता दुर्गाचे सपोर्टराकडे मागता की मागच्या बाउंड्रीच्या पयस रावचे.
So opening pair of Somnath Warriors, Naresh, the big man, has taken his position. He's on strike. Naresh and Bhaktesh. Here we go. The striker bowler is ready to bowl his first ever delivery, first ever legal delivery to start the great mega finals. Here comes the first ball. So straight away wide is the signal by the umpire. So straight away Somnath Warriors are off the mark with extra single. This is what happens when one of the dangerous batsmen strikes. Obviously pressure is going back onto the bowler. So high voltage match, high voltage drama. Here to begin. Oh, great ball, great comeback. What a great superb delivery by the bowler. Yes, so is the man, long tall man. He's supporting his bowler. Pramod, the striker bowler, is doing right thing. Sometimes the quality bowler intentionally bowl wide to distract the batsman. This time, what a big hit! What a big mighty! It will clear his hands into the crowd for a six. What a start! What a start by Naresh! He's straight away off the mark with a decent mega mighty hit. He's the man. He's a key player of Somnath Warriors. He's never giving up. He's the man. His ability to hit the ball over the top in every part of the ground. Naresh is on strike. He's taking. Wow, what a great shot! But this time, good save by the slip fielder. So total score remains to 7. Great encouraging start given by Naresh for his team. And why not? This make big pressure, mega finals is going on. Naresh, the danger man, once again is ready to take the challenge of the bowler. Here comes the next ball. Pramod. What a great shot! This is much better than earlier. Over and above the stadium. What a mighty hit. What a great hit. Naresh is set his mindset that he will not wait for the loose delivery. He has the ability to convert the good ball into the biggies. And this is what is going on. So total score now moves to 13 runs. So pressure is back once again on the bowler. He needs to think something different because Naresh is looking very dangerous at the moment. Somnath Warriors has been on the top table. And what a great start given by the Naresh. Captain himself taken the challenge. Pramod is under pressure. Let's see what he can do. As far as Shanta Durga Warriors is concerned, they need to take the lead of Naresh. Otherwise it will be very difficult. This time, nicely played by Naresh into the long leg region. Good thinking by Naresh. Rotated a strike with the help of the single. Total score now reaches to 14 runs. I request my colleague, my partner Sunil to continue the further commentary.
स्कोर 14 रन. स्ट्राइक पे भक्तेश, गेंदबाजी में प्रमोद. शॉर्ट गेंदबाजी और उसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा 4 रनों के साथ. फाइनल लेग में कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं, उसका फायदा उठा लिया भक्तेश ने। तो पहली ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद स्कोर पहुंचा है 18 रन बिना कोई विकेट खोए। जबरदस्त एक अच्छे फॉर्म में दोनों ही बल्लेबाज, और सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स की टीम बढ़िया शुरुआत पाती हुई पहले ओवर में ही 18 रन जोड़ लिए अपनी टीम के लिए। तो दबाव पूरी तरह से शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स के ऊपर। नए गेंदबाज साईराज, और बैटिंग पावर प्ले ले लिया है सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स ने। मौके का फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं नरेश, धुआंधार बल्लेबाजी करने में माहिर। पहले ओवर में धमाका कर दिया था नरेश ने। एक ओवर के बाद 18 रन बिना कोई विकेट खोए। तो दबाव पूरी तरह से गेंदबाजी के ऊपर। गेंदबाजी में साईराज सामना करेंगे नरेश। दूसरी ओवर की पहली गेंद, जबरदस्त माहौल, बैटिंग पावर प्ले, और रिवर्स शॉट खेलने का प्रयास, पर दिशा से भटके गेंदबाज। एक अतिरिक्त रन खाते में जुड़ता हुआ स्कोर पहुंचा है 19 रन 19। नरेश बहुत ही बढ़िया फॉर्म में है, पूरा सपोर्ट दिखा रहे हैं दर्शक। स्पार कवर के ऊपर से मारा, डिप में फील्डर कोई मौजूद नहीं, और 4 रन खाते में जुड़ते हुए सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स बहुत ही बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी हावी हो रहे हैं हर एक बॉलर पे। स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 23 रन। बहुत ही बढ़िया तूफानी बल्लेबाजी, नरेश बेहतरीन फॉर्म में है और उसका पूरा फायदा उठा रहे हैं।
What a great shot! But this time he fails to pick up the gap straight away in the hands of the mid-off fielder. No chance of taking run. Score remains to 23. Naresh is in commanding position. This time, what a great shot! Nicely reverse shot attempted by. Long chase for the fielder. It will go for a boundary, and it is. Crowd is energetic. So full support for both the teams. And why not? This is a big mega finals is going on. So what a great support. With the help of this great boundary, total score moves to 27 runs. Naresh at the moment is looking very dangerous. He's on fire. The total bowling attack has been destroyed by Naresh. He's a man of strong arms. He can hit the ball over the top very easily. Big pressure back on the bowler. Oh, might be wide, and it is. What a fair decision given by the umpire. So wide is the call. With the help of this extra single, total score now reaches to 28 runs. So big pressure match, high voltage match. Crowd is energetic, enjoying excitement for the crowd because this is the big mega final is going on. Naresh, the captain himself, has taken all the charge. This time, what a great back foot punch by Naresh into the offside region. What to take second? This can be dangerous, but misfielding has given easy opportunity to complete the 2 runs. With the help of this couple, total score now moves to 30 runs without any loss. What a way! What a great start given by Naresh and his partner. They are not missing any opportunity. Naresh is having ability to convert good ball also into the big hit. This time up in the chance of taking catch. Bowler is under his follow through a second. Big bend departs. Big bend departs. Big blow. Ramanan himself is back into the pavilion. But somehow he has given excellent start for his team. So kind of joy in the camp of Shanta Durga Warriors. And why not? The big man departs. The hard-hitting, dangerous, explosive batsman is back into the pavilion. Somehow he has set the platform. Now the rest of the batsmen will have to continue. And they have to take the responsibility, because Shanta Durga Warriors, we have seen in the last match, in the last semi-final match, we have seen they had given excellent performance. Especially Gauresh has given his great commitment, great contribution for his team to take them into this great final match. So big match, big pressure, high voltage. So total support for both the teams all around the ground. Also the viewers from YouTube channel, they are watching this big high voltage match.
बैटिंग पावर प्ले जारी है और आखिरी गेंद भक्तेश, कदमों का इस्तेमाल और गैप में गेंद, कोई फील्डर नहीं, डीप में मौजूद और उसका फायदा उठाया 4 रन के साथ। स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 34 रन। बहुत ही बढ़िया गैप निकाला, डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर में कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं था, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाते हुए स्कोर 34 विद द लॉस ऑफ 1 विकेट। अपनी 1 विकेट गंवा के 2 ओवर में 34 रन 34।
So good going so far for, as far as Somnath Warriors are concerned. They are going at the run rate of 17 runs per over. So both the powers play are come to an end. So now the different tactics need to be adopted by Somnath Warriors, because the Shanta Durga Warriors also having good, strong and attacking batting order. So obviously Somnath Warriors will try to put at least 80 plus runs on the board, because when they comes to bowl, they will not suffer. The pressure will be reduced. So Tukaram, the most key player of Somnath Warriors, the great batsman as well as good all-rounder of Somnath Warriors, is on strike. Oh, great ball, good comeback, strong comeback. The bowler is bowling with good line and length, using his all efforts to keep the ball on line and length in order to bind the batsman of going towards the big hit. Tukaram! This time what a great shot! Whether he finds the man or he clear! Oh! Punch and six! Big mistake made by the fielder. This can't be expected, because this is the great high voltage crucial match. So total score now moves to 40. What a great start given by both the openers as well as the Tukaram. Has taken all extra efforts to hit that ball. He's one of the greatest batsmen of Somnath Warriors. Ramanan is struggling right now at the moment, as both the batsmen are going after the bowling. It is looking very difficult to control the situation for Shanta Durga Warriors.
फिर एक बार तुकाराम और लाउडा बेल, और ये आउट का करार देते हुए एक बड़ा झटका, बाहरी किनारा लगा और सीधा कीपर के हाथ में तुकाराम के रूप में एक बहुत बड़ा झटका और शानदार वापसी। गेंदबाज रामानंद तुकाराम को पवेलियन की राह दिखाते हुए बढ़िया वापसी। स्कोर रुकता हुआ 40 रन पे, एक बहुत बड़ा झटका, अपना दूसरा विकेट गंवाते हुए सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स। रामानंद की बहुत ही बढ़िया शानदार वापसी। नए बल्लेबाज रोहन, बहुत ही शानदार वापसी, 40 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स। अगली गेंद रामनाथ टू रोहन, उस बार मिड ऑफ के फील्डर, बहुत ही बढ़िया फील्डिंग कहूंगा मैं, आसान नहीं होता इस ग्राउंड पे फील्डिंग करना, पर तारीफ करनी होगी, एक ही रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा। स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 41 रन, 41। भक्तेश उठा के मारा है, हवा में गेंद और फिर एक बार बहुत बड़ी गलती, और एक क्या चिटका दी, उसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ सकता है। बहुत ही खराब फील्डिंग कहूंगा मैं, साधारण दर्जे की फील्डिंग इस फाइनल मुकाबले में, इस प्रतियोगिता में। स्कोर 42। उच्च स्तर की फील्डिंग करना जरूरी। इसके साथ तीसरी ओवर की समाप्ति और स्कोर 42, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स। थोड़ी सी साधारण फील्डिंग हो चुकी है इधर, 2 कैच ड्रॉप कर दिया है अभी तक शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स ने। आगे की कमेंट्री करेंगे हमारे इंग्लिश कमेंटेटर रमाकांत।
So after the completion of 3 overs, total score on the board is 42. That means 14 runs is the current run rate of Somnath Strikers, and I think they will be very happy because the way they are going, they are keeping the scoreboard running. What a great shot! Nice lead by the batsman, no chance for any fielder. Welcome boundary. So with the help of this boundary, total score now moves to 46. Both the batsmen has made their mindset that they will not wait for the loose delivery. Score moves to 46 runs with the loss of 2 crucial wickets. So full marks should be given to both the batsmen because they have not taken any pressure. They are going on after the bowling. Next ball. Down the next time. What a great hit. No chance. 1 bounce, 2 bounce straight into the hands of the long leg. It can be dangerous, but throw was just wide. Made easy for both the batsmen to complete their 2 runs. So with the help of these 2 crucial runs, total score now moves to 48 runs. So great start by Somnath Warriors. They are looking very dangerous. They are making things in their favor very easily. What a great hit! What a great hit! No chance for any fielder to stop that ball. Balls went like an AK-47 bullet. So welcome boundary once again. Both the batsmen looking very dangerous. They are on fire. So total score now moves to 52. So 50 plus runs come up in very short period of time for Somnath Warriors. So this contest is going to be very, very, very tough and very, very exciting because the way both the batsmen are looking in form. Pressure is back onto the bowler. Full toss ball, what a great hit. Long chase for the fielder of a long leg region. Good stop by the fielder, good commitment. So with the help of this single, total score now reaches to 53 runs with the loss of 2 wickets. So at the moment, Somnath Warriors are looking on top. They are handling the pressure very well. They are converting into biggies. What a great hit! He fights the man and the key is taken. So somehow Shanta Durga Warriors has been successfully able to take the lead of the hard-hitting batsman. So 3rd wicket down, 3rd dismissal of Somnath Warriors. So total score now remains to 53 runs with the loss of 3 wickets. So big match, high voltage match. So might be the last legal delivery of this over. So fourth over is in progress. So as far as Somnath cricketers, Somnath Warriors are concerned, they will at least try to put 60 to 70 plus runs on the board. Next ball. Good shot. Back foot punch by the batsman. Straight into the hands of the fielder in long leg region. So meanwhile, both the batsmen comfortably completed one run. So with the help of this one run, total score now moves to 54 with the loss of 3 wickets. So last 2 over yet to bowl. So Captain Gauresh is discussing the matter. And why not? He knows the importance of this match because the big pressure match. So Gauresh is one of the talented and experienced player. He's leading his team. He's a captain itself, discussing the matter. So Gauresh himself has brought back into the attack to control the situation because the way Somnath Warriors are going, it is very, very difficult to control the situation whatsoever manner. Gauresh is having that much ability. He's one of the greatest all-rounder we have seen in the last semi-final match. He has given tremendous contribution to qualify to make their place into the finals.
बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, कवर के ऊपर से मारा हुआ और ये 4 रन के लिए स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 58 रन। 3 विकेट के नुकसान पे सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स। गेंदबाजी में आए हैं गौरेश, पहली गेंद पे चौका। बल्लेबाजी में बख्तेश, स्पार लेग साइड की दिशा में दिशाहीन गेंदबाजी, एक अतिरिक्त रन खाते में जुड़ता हुआ स्कोर पहुंचा है 59। इस बार संपर्क कितना बढ़िया, उतना बढ़िया नहीं कि बाउंड्री रोप को पार कर दे। कप्तान गौरेश आखिरकार विकेट लेने में कामयाब। बख्तेश की एक और बड़ा झटका, बहुत ही बढ़िया रणनीति कहूंगा मैं। अच्छी वापसी, चौका लेने के बाद एक वाइड और उसके बाद विकेट लेना, बहुत ही बढ़िया। इसके साथ स्कोर रुकता हुआ 59 रन। 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे बहुत ही बढ़िया रिकवरी, अच्छी वापसी कहूंगा मैं। कप्तान गौरेश, लॉन्ग ऑन पे फील्डर मौजूद था और बढ़िया कैच। आसान नहीं होता बाउंड्री पे कोई भी कैच पकड़ना। नए बैट्समैन शोधन स्ट्राइक पे, दीपेश और इस बार क्लीन बोल्ड। कवरेज की शानदार गेंदबाजी दीपेश को पवेलियन के राह पे लौटाते हुए और एक बड़ा झटका, 5वीं विकेट गिरती हुई सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स दबाव महसूस करते हुए और अच्छी वापसी कहूंगा मैं। गौरेश कप्तान जानते हैं किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करनी है। इस तरह से लगातार झटके मिल रहे हैं सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स के लिए।
After being getting good start, Somnath Warriors at the moment struggling to get the runs one after one. Batsman is going back into the pavilion. This will be a little bit worry as far as Somnath Warriors are concerned. The legal team owner Abhishek Pauskar is encouraging his teammates. Oh, good ball, might be wide, and it is. What a fair decision given by the umpire. So with the help of this extra single, total score now reaches to 60 runs with the loss of. Oh, great hit! Chance of taking catch and taken! Big blow once again! What a great take by the fielder, Gauresh. the moment, he is the key maker. His ball with good line and length given couple of big blows for Somnath Warriors. Has been forced to go on back foot because we have seen in the beginning of this inning, Somnath Warriors were in commanding position, but now as the day has been progressed, they are struggling to get the runs. So big blow, what a great commitment, what a great contribution by captain himself. He's taken right call, a right decision. He's taken himself onto the attack, and the result is in favor of Shanta Durga Warriors. Big blow. Great hit by batsman once again into the gap, but they will have to be settled for the single because the fielder is very quick. Straightway return back into the hands of the keeper. No chance of converting single into double. So with the help of this single, total score now moves to 61. What a great day. What a great day for Gaurish. Down the track. Wanted very hard, but unfortunately he could not time the ball as he expected. Want to take second, but settle for a single. Good call from his partner. So Shodhan is in center. He's one of the experienced and talented batsmen of Somnath Warriors. So after the completion of 5, our total score now moves to 62 runs with the loss of 6 wickets. So last over is in progress. Definitely both the batsmen will try to get much runs as possible to put huge target on the board. In this particular format of cricket, it is most important to get the runs on the board. How you get, no matters, but getting runs on the board is most important. Let's see in the last over how much both the batsmen will be able to contribute and to put much more expected runs on the board.
राजू स्ट्राइक पे, आखिरी ओवर लेकर यासो, शॉट डिलीवरी, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाते हुए फाइन लेग में फील्डर तो मौजूद नहीं है, स्क्वायर लेग के फील्डर ने आके रोका और 2 रन लेने में कामयाब, स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 64 रन। बॉलर यासो, फिर एक बार राजू, बड़े शॉट्स की जरूरत, आखिरी ओवर, आगे आकर घुमाया, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, पूरी तरह से चारों खाने चित हो गए राजू। बहुत ही बढ़िया सोच गेंदबाज की, पहले ही परख लिया था, आगे आ रहे हैं इसलिए शॉट डाला। इस बार फिर एक बार शॉट डिलीवरी, कीपर से मिस हो गई, रन आउट का मौका, पर रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते हैं क्योंकि ये अतिरिक्त रन बाद में महंगे पड़ सकते हैं, पर 1 रन अवश्य मिलेगा। इसी के साथ स्कोर 65 रन। स्ट्राइक पे फिलहाल शोधन, शोधन यसो, अगली गेंद, स्पार शॉट डिलीवरी, पॉइंट के ऊपर से मारा है, डीप में कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं और आउटफील्ड बहुत ही फास्ट है, इसी वजह से 4 रन अपने खाते में जुड़ते हुए सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स स्कोर 69 रन्स। बहुत ही बढ़िया, रन कैसे भी आए पर इस वक्त रन आना जरूरी। बहुत ही बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी शोधन, बढ़िया सपोर्ट, इस बार बहुत ही बढ़िया वापसी गेंदबाज की, ऑफसाइड के दिशा में मारना चाहते थे, पूरी तरह से चूक गए। बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, इस बार फुल टच गेंद, मिड ऑन पे फील्डर मौजूद और पकड़ लिया कैच। इसी तरह से इनिंग की समाप्ति और स्कोर रुकता हुआ 69 रन, 70 रनों की जरूरत, 70 रन टू विन दिस मैच फॉर शांतादुर्गा वॉरियर्स।
So what a great batting performance given by Somnath Warriors. So total score they have scored is 69 runs. So 70 runs is a target set by Somnath Warriors for their opponents. So 17 runs target is not that much easy because this pitch is favorable for batting as well as for bowling. Anything happen. So now this will be big task for Shantadurga Warriors to chase this target and to be the champions of this Double Cricket League first edition. Great contribution given by all the batsmen. They have kept the scoreboard running and in entire inning. As a result, they have been able to get 69 runs, most valuable runs on the board. So 17 runs target is set by Somnath Warriors to Shantadurga Warriors. So big match, high voltage, big finals is going on. So now let's see what is going to happen. So officials for this match, Sunay Naik and Ashlesh Naik, are most reputed and talented officials doing their job very fair. So now 17 run is target set by Somnath Warriors. So big match, high voltage, great excitement for the spectators. So let's see what is going to happen in this particular big mega finals. So Captain Naresh will take a call because this is the big mega finals. Huge pressure on the both the sides. Shantadurga Warriors is also having good strong batting order in their squad. They have talented all-rounders. So this match is going to be very interesting as well as big excitement.
बॅट्समॅन मागचा राहतो.
So both the dangerous batsmen of Shantadurga Warriors, Yaso and Sairaj, are on their way to take their position, to take the challenge of Somnath Warriors. The big match, high voltage match. Yaso is one of the greatest batsmen, but we have seen since the morning he's yet to struggling for his form. But this is a crucial match whether he will be able to bring back his form back, to give his valuable performance in these mega finals or not. Yaso, tall man, hard-hitting batsman. So big blow for Somnath Warriors, although they have started with great run rate, but unfortunately
शांतादुर्गा सपोर्टर मॅचच्या लाईनीच्या बाहेर राहायचंय. मागचे पॉईंट राहायचंय. बाउंड्री रोपाचे मागचे पॉईंट राहायचंय.
at the way Somnath Warriors have been started their inning with the help of their skipper Captain Naresh, it was looking that they will be effectively plus 90 runs will put on the board, but unfortunately they have put 69 runs on the board and 70 runs target have been given for their opposition. So Yaso, big man, lots of hopes from Yaso. His big man is on strike. Naresh himself, the captain's keeper, is bowling the first legal delivery. Great ball, out appeal. But ball was straightway went into the gloves of the keeper. There was no contact with the ball and the bat. So straightway dot delivery by Naresh. Yes, a big man is on strike. Danger man, explosive batsman. Naresh to bowl to Yaso. What a great shot! Into the crowd, over and above the stadium. This is what I was talking about. Yaso is the danger man. He has the ability to hit the ball over the top. Somehow he was struggling in the last match with his form, but this time he has made his mindset. This is a crucial, important match for both the teams. And Yaso, what a way! He's straightway off the mark with a big six. So big pressure back onto the skipper Naresh, because he knows the quality of the Yaso. He's a danger man. He's the danger man. Naresh to bowl to Yaso once again. Great shot once again into offside region. No chance for cover fielder. Long chase for the fielder of mid-off. Good commitment, good save. Certainly saved two most crucial runs for his team. So meanwhile, both the batsmen comfortably taken 2 runs. So with the help of these 2 runs, total score now moves to 8 runs.
स्पार सीधा हाथ में गेंद. नरेश फाइनली यासो की विकेट निकालने में कामयाब. बड़े बल्लेबाज फॉर्म में थे यासो, पर बेहतरीन वापसी. स्लिप के फील्डर में सीधा हाथों में कैच और बड़ा विकेट गंवाते हुए दाबाद क्रिकेट लीग 2021 का फर्स्ट एडिशन और फाइनल प्रतियोगिता. इस प्रतियोगिता का आज निर्णायक दिन है. आज मालूम पड़ेगा कि कौन कितने पानी में है. फिलहाल बढ़िया वापसी नरेश की. बल्लेबाजी में आए हैं अतुल और आते ही रिवर्स शॉट खेलने का प्रयास, पर पूरी तरह से चूक गए. रिस्क लेना पसंद करते हैं ये बल्लेबाज. आते ही रिवर्स शॉट. नरेश अच्छी वापसी. फिर एक बार, इस बार दिशा से बढ़के डाउन द ऑफ साइड लाइन. एक अतिरिक्त रन खाते में जुड़ता हुआ स्कोर 9 रन 9 रन. इस बार अतुल जोर से घुमाया था. फील्डर के सीधा हाथ में रन आउट का भी मौका था, पर पहुंच गए थे बल्लेबाज. इसके साथ पहली ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद स्कोर 10 रन. एक विकेट के नुकसान पे शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स अभी तक अच्छी गेंदबाजी की है. सत्तर रनों की जरूरत, एक बहुत बड़ा लक्ष्य, बड़े हिट्स की जरूरत. स्ट्राइक पे फिलहाल फिर एक बार अतुल. गेंदबाजी में दूसरी ओवर लेकर आ रहे हैं श्रीचरण. श्रीचरण टू अतुल. इस बार बल्ला पहले ही घुमा लिया था. टाइमिंग नहीं कर बैठे, जोर से बल्ला घुमाया पर बल्ले और गेंद का कोई संपर्क नहीं। इसी दौरान फिर एक बार डॉट बॉल, दबाव बढ़ता हुआ बल्लेबाजी के ऊपर। स्कोर 10 रन। दूसरी ओवर। ओ इस बार बेहतरीन लैंड डिलीवरी। कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है बल्लेबाज अतुल को, अपने आप से नाखुश। फ्रस्ट्रेशन पूरी तरह से झलक रही है अतुल के ऊपर। लगातार डॉट डिलीवरी, बढ़िया गेंदबाजी। इस बार जड़ में डाली हुई गेंद। स्क्वायर लेग के फील्डर ने सिर्फ एक ही रन दिलाया। अच्छा थ्रो पर बैड कलेक्शन। इसी तरह से स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 11 रन।
So Sricharan is doing right thing for his team. The second over is in progress. Total score is 11 runs with the loss of one crucial wicket. So next ball was Sricharan. Wanted very hard, but unfortunately ball was wide outside the leg stump. So wide is called from the umpire. So with the help of this extra single, total score now moves to 12 runs. The required run rate is around 13 plus 13.50 for us Shanta Durga Warriors to achieve the target. Down the track this time, up in the air. Chance of taking catch. Ball is on this. Ball is taken. What a great catch! It is not just easy for any ordinary player to take such a catch, because bowler has taken catch in his follow three by traveling long distance. The big blow once again. The big man departs. So second big blow for Shanta Durga Warriors. Total score remains to 12 runs with a loss of 2 wickets. The second over is in progress. So run rate is going at higher side. So now the Shanta Durga Warriors need to take a right call at the right moment. They need to push ball into the gaps. They need to take singles, doubles to keep the run rate going on, to keep the scoreboard running. Otherwise it will be very, very difficult in the slow overs to get closer to achieve this target. What a great spell by Sri Charan. Charan is on fire right now. He's taken the lead of the informed batsman. Next ball by Sri Charan. This time wanted very hard, but unfortunately could not make better timing as he has been expected. So dot ball. So good convenient over so far as the Somnath Warriors are concerned. So total score remains to 12 runs with a loss of 2 wickets. So in this particular format of cricket, it's most important to keep the scoreboard running. Down the track is time once again, but unfortunately result is the same. Straight away into the gloves of the keeper Tukaram. His most exciting player, energetic player of Somnath Warriors. So after the completion of 2 over, total score now remains to 12 runs. That means 6 runs is the current run rate. Now both the batsmen need to take some risk. They need to hit the ball over the top, need to score a couple of boundaries. Otherwise things will be out of control of Shanta Durga Warriors. Still one batting power play has been left for Shanta Durga Warriors. Might be they are thinking their strategy might be different. They know the importance of this match. They have the quality batsmen yet to come. Naresh, the captain himself, brought back into the attack. So Pramod is on strike. He's one of the dangerous batsmen. He has the ability to score quick runs within a short period of time. And Shanta Durga Warriors are expecting something. This time, good ball. What a great descent delivery by Naresh. He's doing the right thing for his team. So things are not favorable as far as Shanta Durga Warriors are concerned at the moment, because 70 runs is the target set by Somnath Warriors for their opponents. Some quick big hits, couple of boundaries is much needed. This time once again, result is same. Two couple of consecutive dot balls has been put pressure back onto the batting side. What a great day for Naresh. Has given his great commitment, great contribution with his bat. Once again, result is same. No, this can't be expected from player like Pramod. He need to take some much more risk. He need to use his footwork if he can't connect the ball. What a great day for Naresh. Once again, next delivery. This time clean ball. He strike this time, Naresh. Naresh strike this time, clean ball. So Pramod is back in the pavilion. Big blow for Shanta Durga Warriors. Since the beginning, Pramod was struggling to connect the ball. As a result, he has back into the pavilion. So total score now remains to 12 runs. Third over is in progress. At the moment, Somnath Warriors are looking much safe as compared to Shanta Durga Warriors. They are putting their all extra efforts to turn around the things in their favor. But this is a cricket match, anything can happen. Shanta Durga Warriors also have strong batting order. Player like Gauresh can turn the things very easily in their favor, because we have seen the tremendous great performance in semi-final match. So Ramanand is on strike.
नहीं बल्लेबाज रामानंद आते ही कदमों का प्रयोग, पर कोई संपर्क नहीं बल्ले और गेंद का। स्कोर रुकता हुआ 12 रन। बहुत ही बढ़िया स्पेल। नरेश लगातार डॉट डिलीवरी। इस बार थोड़ी सा गति में मिश्रण और मिड विकेट के फील्डर के हाथ में रन आउट का मौका, और अतुल अपना विकेट गंवा बैठे। खराब तालमेल दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों के बीच में, उसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा अपनी विकेट गंवाकर। बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, उतनी बढ़िया फील्डिंग, जबरदस्त खेल का प्रदर्शन करते हुए सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स। नए बल्लेबाज गौरेश, कप्तान शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स के। इसी प्लेयर पे पूरी जिम्मेदारी, अब मैच को जिताने का भार अपने कंधों पे लेते हुए गौरेश। और पावर प्ले ले लिया है, बैटिंग पावर प्ले। बैटिंग पावर प्ले में गेंदबाजी करने के लिए आ चुके हैं शोधन। सामना करेंगे एक उच्च कोटि के बल्लेबाज गौरेश। गौरेश का स्कोर 13 रन। 3 ओवर के बाद केवल 13 रन। और बैटिंग पावर प्ले शोधन टू गौरेश, और पहले ही गेंद पे लगा दिया है। बड़ा हाइट 6 रनों के लिए स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 19 रन, 19 रन। और गियर शिफ्ट कर लिया है शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स ने। आर पार की लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी है। दबाव गेंदबाजी के ऊपर। इस बार फिर एक बार संपर्क उतना बढ़िया नहीं। फील्डर मौजूद लॉन्ग ऑन में, और 2 रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े हैं। तालमेल बहुत ही खराब, और फिर एक बार अपना विकेट गंवा बैठे। इस बार रामानंद के रूप में। जैसे ही गियर शिफ्ट करके एक्सेलरेटर पे पैर दबाया था, फिर एक बार वापस खींच लिया। स्कोर रुकता हुआ 20 रन। सिर्फ केवल एक ही रन मिला। दूसरे ओवर के लिए दौड़ पड़े थे पर रन आउट हो चुके हैं रामानंद। फिलहाल नए बल्लेबाज समीर, नॉन स्ट्राइक पे कप्तान समझा रहे हैं समीर को। फिलहाल स्ट्राइक लेंगे समीर। गेंदबाजी में शोधन, लगभग हर एक गेंद पे बड़े शॉट्स की जरूरत है। बड़ा लक्ष्य, 70 रनों की जरूरत। स्कोर रुकता हुआ 20 रन पे और 50 रनों की जरूरत। बहुत ही मुश्किल पर नामुमकिन नहीं। अभी भी कवरेज जैसे धुआंधार बल्लेबाज मौजूद। और एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से मारा हुआ लॉन्ग ऑन के फील्डर के सीधा हाथ में। सिर्फ एक ही रन मिलेगा। स्ट्राइक पे आ चुके हैं कवरेज। स्कोर 21 रन। फिलहाल कवरेज उस पार चढ़ में डाली हुई गेंद। टिप में फील्डर मौजूद, 2 रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े हैं। बहुत ही बढ़िया रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट और रन आउट का मौका, पर बढ़िया रनिंग, 2 रन लेने में कामयाब। स्ट्राइक चाहिए कवरेज को और ले भी ली। स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 23 रन। जबरदस्त रनिंग। अभी कुछ कर सकते हैं तो कवरेज ही अकेले दम पे मैच जिता सकते हैं ऐसे बल्लेबाज। और सोमनाथ बॉयज को इनकी विकेट चाहिए। फिलहाल गेंदबाजी में शोधन टू कवरेज। अगली गेंद स्पार उठा के मारा है। लॉन्ग ऑन पे फील्डर मौजूद पर कोई फायदा नहीं। 1 बाउंस चौका। 4 रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 27 रन। बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट। इसके साथ स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 27 रन। कवरेज में काबिलियत है अकेले दम पे मैच जिताने की, और जब तक कवरेज मौजूद है तब तक ही मैच जिंदा है शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स के लिए। दबाव साफ तरह से झलकता हुआ फिलहाल शोधन के ऊपर। अगली गेंद इस बार जड़ में डाली हुई गेंद, लाउड अपील और ये आउट दे दिया है। नाखुश है बल्लेबाज, पर एम्पायर ने आउट का करार देते हुए और खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं। सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स बहुत खुश। जिस विकेट की जरूरत थी वो विकेट लेने में कामयाब, और बड़ा झटका शांता दुर्गा वॉरियर्स के लिए।
So big blow for Shanta Durga Warriors. The hard-hitting dangerous batsman, informed batsman is back into the pavilion. Coverage, the captain itself, is back into the pavilion. Last hope for Shanta Durga Warriors. But still, they have the quality batsmen in their squad. They will not let it go. Great hit by the batsman. 1 bounce straight into the hands of the fielder. So 1 run taken. So with help of this one run, total score now moves to 28 runs. So 42 more runs required. Big pressure back on Shantadurga Warriors. Nice lead by the batsman. Long chase for the fielder. Good stop. Good contribution. Good commitment. So with help of this, score moves to 29 runs. Right now, at the moment, Somnath Warriors are in commanding position. They handle the pressure very well. So things are going in favor of Somnath Warriors. Next ball. Want to hit very hard, but unfortunately, ball went straight into the gloves of the keeper. Score remains to 29 runs. So 41 more runs required. Shantadurga Warriors need big hits. Down the next time. What a great shot up in there. Two fielders under the ball. Taken. Naresh is the man. Skip by itself. Taken, safe and catch. So yet another big blow for Shantadurga Warriors. They are losing wicket after wicket. So pressure is building on Shantadurga Warriors. After the winning the toss, they had decided to field first, but unfortunately, their decision has backfired them because the Somnath Warriors had put 69 runs on the board and given 70-run target for Shantadurga Warriors, and at the moment, Somnath Warriors are in commanding position. They are on the top at the moment, but let's see. The tailenders also have the ability. This time the batsmen want to hit very hard, but unfortunately once again dot delivery. So big disappointment for Gavresh. He was the big man. He was the man of the match in semi-finals, but in this crucial match, Hostel ball strikes again. Right up into the block hole. No chance for the batsman, although batsman has tried his level best to hit the ball over the top, but unfortunately he will have to go back into the pavilion. The placement was perfect of the bowler, taken the read of the batsman. So after the completion of 5 overs, total score is just 29. That means 41 more runs required to win this match for Shantadurga Warriors. It is very, very difficult, not impossible, but very, very difficult task for Shantadurga Warriors because 6 balls, 41 runs. Only thing for Somnath Warriors, they need to bowl 6 legal deliveries, then they can easily win this task.
आखिरी ओवर की पहली गेंद हवा में गेंद और लॉन्ग ऑफ के फील्डर ने आसानी से पकड़ लिया एक कैच और एक अपना विकेट गवा बैठे हैं शांतादुर्गा और जश्न करते हुए सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स। बहुत ही बढ़िया एक तरफा मुकाबला कर दिया है इस मैच को। निर्णायक मुकाबला था, ग्रैंड मेगा सेमीफाइनल, सॉरी ग्रैंड मेगा फाइनल। इस बार फुल टच डिलीवरी, इस बार 4 रन के लिए, इसी 4 रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 33 रन। 4 रन तो मिले पर कोई फायदा नहीं, बहुत देर हो चुकी है। बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी उदय की। पूरी तरह से ये मैच अपनी तरफ खींच लिया है, एकदम मुट्ठी में कहूंगा मैं, मुट्ठी में कर लिया है। इस बार बहुत ही बढ़िया लैंड डिलीवरी, कुछ समझ में नहीं आई, गेंद हल्के सी नीचे भी रह गई और एक डॉट डिलीवरी। बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स के तरफ से आज देखने को मिला। इस बार फिर एक बार पूरी तरह से चारों खाने चित कर दिया बल्लेबाज को। उदय, हर एक गेंदबाज ने अपनी पूरी अच्छी तरह से भूमिका निभाई है, उसका फायदा सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स उठाते हुए, और इसके साथ ऑल आउट, और ये मैच जीत लिया है सोमनाथ बॉयज ने, सोमनाथ वॉरियर्स ने।
What a great moment for Somnath Warriors. Throughout this tournament, we have seen excellent and outstanding performance. They are the champions of this Dabal Cricket League First Edition. Heartily congratulations for Somnath Warriors for their outstanding performance throughout this tournament. They have made history. What a great moment. So, great moment for Abhishek Pavaskar, the team owner of Somnath Warriors will be very, very happy. And why not? Great performance given by the all teammates. The teamwork makes them the champion of Dabal Cricket League First Edition. So, for presentation, let's join our representative, Mr. Ishwar Kuttikar. I request Mr. Ishwar Kuttikar to please be present for the presentation ceremony. So prize distribution as well as the presentation ceremony will commence within a short period of time.